Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Small Business Social Show. My name is Jill, and I'm your host. And today we're going to be going through a step-by-step tutorial that's going to teach you how to set up your Instagram account for your business. Now, what a lot of people don't know is that there are different formats for business Instagram accounts and personal Instagram accounts. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm the owner of Fox Social Media, and my company's been helping small businesses, practices, and brands to both market and grow online for over 9 years now. And I'm so excited to have both this show and my podcast by the same name so that I can help all of you as well. So let's get started. If you're wondering what the difference between an Instagram business account and a personal Instagram account are, the main difference is that the business account provides you with analytics so that you can see how many people liked your posts, visited your profile, clicked on your website link, followed your page, and different things like that. Now you'll need to take out either your cell phone or your tablet, whichever device you're going to be using for Instagram. And I want you to go on the App Store and download the free Instagram app. Once you've done that, you're going to click on the link at the bottom of the screen that says, "Don't have an account yet? Sign up." If you already have a personal Instagram account, you are going to need to log out of it first and then click on the link that says, "Don't have an Instagram account? Sign up." The next thing I want you to do is click on the button at the very top that says email. Type in the email address you want to use for this account. Now, this is not the email address you give to the public. This is the one that you're going to use to log in. And I actually recommend that you use one that the public doesn't know about, just for security reasons. Now, next, you're going to add the name of your business, and when you're finished, click Next. Now you want to type in a secure password and then click Next. Under username, choose a username that's going to work for all your social media pages if possible. And one of the things you can do is try running your business name all together. For example, my company's name is Fox Social Media. So my username is @FoxSocialMedia, all run together. Once you're finished, click Next. Now you're going to click on Skip or Next about 5 more times, because right here Instagram wants to prompt you to follow people and do all these different things that you don't necessarily have to do or have to do right now. So right now we're just going to focus on the setup. So I want you to keep on skipping until you see the screen with the little person icon in the very bottom right corner. Clicking on this icon is always going to take you to your profile. So if you get lost and don't know what screen you're on, click on that little icon. It's always going to take you right back to kind of your home base. Next, you're going to click on the little blue plus sign that's showing up in that little round person who is now on the top left of your screen. What you're going to do here is upload your company logo. So you're going to need to make sure that it looks good in a circle. You're going to use the same logo as your profile picture across all your social media platforms. Once you're done with that, you're going to click on the 3 little lines that are on the very top right side of your screen. Then you're going to click on the gear that's next to the word settings at the very bottom of your screen. You're going to scroll down and click on the word account. Then you're going to click on where it says switch to business profile. Again, you're going to have to click on the next button about 4 times until you see the screen that says connect your Facebook page. Since we're going to do this later on, click on Don't Connect to Facebook now. Next, you're going to choose the appropriate category for your business. So are you a local business, a blogger, a service, etc.? Choose whatever's most appropriate and then click Next. Now you're going to enter the email address you want your customers and clients to contact you at. Remember, this is the forward-facing email that anyone who looks at your profile is going to be able to see. Once you've entered that, click Done. Now you're going to add your business phone number and address. Note, though, these are optional fields. Everybody's business and situation are different, so just know that these are optional fields, and then if you fill them in, everybody can see them who looks at your profile. Next, you're going to type in your website URL under where it says company website. Now, this is going to be the only clickable link on your Instagram account. Under bio, you're going to want to type a short description of what your company does. You're also going to want to list where your company is, maybe just city and state, if you didn't fill out the address portion. You're going to use hashtags on the important keywords to help people find you. So if a person isn't following you but is searching for flower shops in Irvine, California, and they click on those hashtags, and those hashtags happen to be in your profile, they may just find your account. So it helps you to get your account in front of people even if they don't follow you. Now, under business information is where you can connect your Facebook business page to your Instagram account. You want to click on Claim Your Facebook Page. Now, if you're already logged into Facebook on the device you're using, you're going to see a screen that says Connect Your Facebook Page. And underneath that will show you, it will list out all of your different pages that you have on Facebook. And all you have to do is select the one you want to connect to. Now, if you are not logged into Facebook, it is going to prompt you to log in first, and then you'll be able to complete this information. Once you're finished with that, click Next. Now, once you finish setting up your profile, it should look something like mine does in the photo. And the one on the left is for my personal brand. The one on the right is for my social media marketing agency. So this shows you, just a few of the differences between those two types of business categories. Anytime you want to make any changes to your profile or your settings, you're going to log into Instagram. You're going to click on your logo, which is now in the bottom right section of your screen. Remember, that's always going to take you back to your profile. So click on the Edit Profile tab near the top to edit your profile. And to edit your settings, that's going to take 2 steps. Click on the 3 lines at the very top right of your screen, and then click on the gear at the very bottom of the screen. You'll want to take some time to browse through all the settings and make sure that the default settings are set correctly for you. Now that your setup is complete, there's a few more things that you want to do. First, make sure you add the Instagram icon to the header of your website and link it to your Instagram page. Next, you want to start posting content that's going to appeal to your ideal customers and clients. Post information that's helpful, useful, funny, educational, things that your ideal customer or client wants to see. And next, start connecting with people on Instagram. You can start by following friends, acquaintances, and business associates. And you can also follow people who follow your competitors. In many cases, these people will follow you back, and it's a great way to get started without spending any money on ads. Now, there's 2 other videos I want to mention to you that go hand in hand here. And the first one is a tutorial of how to set up a Facebook page for your business. And this is a beginner step-by-step tutorial as well. And I will put a link in the description. The second is one I mentioned before, and it's how to add additional links to your Instagram bio. And again, that link will be in the description as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to this channel, because every week I'll be sharing information that's going to help you to start, market, and grow your personal brand, your business, or your practice. Thank you again for joining me today, and I look forward to catching up with you again next week.